In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn safely a passive income on the Phemex exchange, and we are going to have a look at the copy trading future, but also at the automated trading bots future. I've made multiple tutorials over on Bybit, how to set up copy trading, how to set up these trading bots, and as of today, these trading bots are still creating a passive income for me quite safely, and after 1 month, we actually made quite some profit, which is purely passive. And it basically doesn't cost you any time, and you are not involved with your emotional state. So when you are trading normally, you are very much involved emotionally. You maybe have second thoughts, but when you have an automated trading bot or you copy someone else's trade, you are completely putting emotions out of the equation. But it is very important that you are going to watch this video until the end, because I'm going to share with you some strategies that you can apply to minimize your risk whenever you are creating these passive income streams. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you the results that I have with copy trading and my trading bots over on the Phemex exchange. First of all, you'll need to create an account over on Phemex. You can do that by scrolling down below this video. In the description, you can find an affiliate link, and if you join Phemex with this specific affiliate link, you can enjoy some extra benefits, like a deposit bonus of up to $4,000, but you can also get access to Will Alerts, which is a private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets, like strategies, trade setups, and many more. Once you've created an account, you need to deposit funds. As you can see, we've already deposited some funds into our Phemex account, and we are going to use all of these funds to create a passive income. And like I said earlier, guys, we are going to create this passive income by copy trading other traders, but we are also going to set up some trading bots which are based on AI, and I'm going to explain you exactly how it works. But let me first give 1 minute an explanation why you should use this service and how we can basically minimize our risk. Well, normally when we are investing, right, you want to diversify your assets into different investments, because when one investment is not doing so well, you at least have the other investments. You maybe heard of the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one single basket. And that's the same thing that we are going to do with this as well. So with copy trading, we are not going to put all of our funds into one copy trader. No, we are going to split those funds in different copy trading strategies. So if one guy screws up, we still have other guys that might make up for those losses. So we are minimizing our risk. And that's the same thing how we can create a less risk when we want to earn passive income. If you have all your money, for example, in Bybit or in BitGet, you again have a lot of eggs in one single basket. But we can also diversify into going into different exchanges. So you can have some strategies running on Bybit, maybe some strategies running on Phemex, maybe some strategies running on BitGet, and then all of them combined, you really have a diversified risk, diversified strategies, which is significantly decreasing your risk. And that's what's all about with investing, right? Decreasing the risk. So guys, let's first start with the copy trade section over on Phemex. To go there, you click right here on contract, you click on copy trade. So guys, that brings me to the following page. Here you can see the copy traders, and the first thing that we can already see is that Phemex is recommending us some copy traders right here. These are from GMX. GMX is a decentralized exchange, and Phemex basically tracks their wallet addresses and looks at their profitability. And the crazy thing, guys, that's the interesting thing, when you click on this, you can see, for example, the amount of profit this trader made, the return on investment, but, and this is crazy, you can even see the current and historical positions, right? And the current position is a long Bitcoin with a 47x leverage, which is in the last 20%. So do we want to copy that? Well, I don't think so. So we are going to have a look for different ones. And guys, the next one is pretty impressive. We have a total profit of $14,000 with an ROI of 32%. And monthly positions roughly 24. He has 2 positions right now, both along, and they are both slightly in the loss right here. Nevertheless, I think let's give this guy the benefit of the doubt and let's copy this one. So we click right here on copy. Then first of all we need to transfer some funds. For that we click right here on transfer. Then we do from USDT to spot account. Let's say we want to put 800 US dollar tether from our spot account into the copy trading future. Then we go to the copy trading settings, and here guys we can select the trading pairs that we want to join this copy trader with. In our case we are going to join on all the trading pairs. We can select the leverage and we can select the investment. Well, we are going to invest 200 US dollar tether. Then right here we click on copy, and right now we are copying this specific trader. Now let's pick 3 more strategies to copy. So guys, I've just copied 3 copy traders right here over on Phemex. Apparently you're only allowed to copy 3 of the top traders. Nevertheless, the rest of our funds we are going to put into our trading bot, which I have higher expectations of, because this trading bot is already doing pretty good over on Bybit, and this is completely automated. And for this trading bot it really doesn't matter if the price of Bitcoin goes up or down, because in both ways it is able to make some profits. So to open a trading bot over on Phemex, you click right here on trading bots, which will bring you to the following page. If you scroll down you can actually see already some existing strategies which you can copy, but we are basically going to create our own. So we click right here on create, and here you can already see in this illustration how it basically works, right? The Bitcoin price is going down right here, like triggering these entry points, but when it goes up it's automatically being sold again. So that's why this is so interesting, because it is just placing a grid, and the more Bitcoin moves the more orders are being executed. Then guys, right here we can select the settings of our trading bot basically, and you can choose here whether you want that trading bot to only long or only short, or whether you want to put it on neutral, which means that it is longing and shorting at the same time. Then you can set the price range. Well, we are setting a price range from 20,000 US dollars to 30,000 US dollars. Then you can select the grids. Well, we are going to do 40 grids. Then we can select the investment. In this strategy we are going to put 1,050 US dollar tether, and we want to have a low leverage, so we're going to use a leverage of 3. And at the advanced settings right here you can choose whether you want the grids to be arithmetic or geometric. This is a different way of calculating the grids, but in our case we're just gonna put it on arithmetic. Then we click right here on create. Then you can see the order confirmation, the lowest price, higher price, and so on, the amount of grids. Then right here to start this trading bot we just click on confirm, and right now this trading bot is basically running, looking for entries and exits. Then right here we can see the trading bot details. So we are trading the Bitcoin US dollar tether perpetual contract with a 3x leverage. We are longing and shorting at the same time. This is the starting time, this is the price range, this is the grid, the investment, and so on. Take in mind guys, it needs some time to execute trades because it will react on the volatility of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video so far guys, make sure to scroll below this video and smash up the like button. If you want to stay connected with me during this bull market and have more ways to know how to earn passive income and see how I'm doing with my trading bots, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, let's now have a look at the trading results for more passive income trading strategies. And let's start off with copy trading. We can see that one copy trader already opened a position that is right now slightly in the profit for US dollar tether. But it is a 2% profit because we are following this copy trader with a 200 US dollar tether initial investment. Then guys, when we have a look at our trading bot, then we can see it executed a trade right here, which right now is also slightly in the profit, 25 cents. And I know these are not huge profits, right? And that's also exactly what we are doing right here, because these passive income streams, especially the trading bots, are very low risk. We only use a leverage of 3x, right? We have quite a big grid, so it also takes some time until these trades are actually being executed, and the risk is just basically very low. But that's also the whole point, because we are looking for a passive income with a low risk, diversify that, on multiple exchanges. And yeah, if we have a look at the copy trading section, of course that carries a higher risk than the automated trading bots, but it is important, I think, in both cases it's not completely passive. And let me elaborate, guys, because for example, also with the trading bots, right now our grid works between 20 and 30,000 US dollars, right? And when the market moves sideways, this is a perfect strategy, right? It also really helps you as a trader because you are not 24/7 in front of the charts. These trades are being executed automatically without your emotional or your emotions involved. But what if Bitcoin goes on a massive rally, right? And we are leaving that 30,000 US dollar range. That is something you got to take into consideration as well. Where are we in the bull market? And if we are further in the bull market and Bitcoin is really starting to look more bullish, you might have to change the grid, or you might have to wait until Bitcoin finished again a rally and then use a grid again, or use a grid that is way bigger, between maybe 20,000 and 60,000 US dollars. These are all things you can consider, right? And I think if the market really looks extremely bullish, but maybe also extremely bearish, if there is a liquidation event going to occur and you know that based on data that you are seeing online, I think it's smarter to put the trading bot on pause during that event, maybe a huge volatile event, right? And then once that volatility comes back to a little bit normal levels, you know how Bitcoin goes, to put a trading bot back on again. But that is personally what I think is smart, to use these trading bots. But you can also use them in your own way, be creative and use the market conditions in your favor. Guys, I really hope you've learned something in today's video and you like the approach that I'm taking right here in creating a passive income stream. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to stay connected with me and see the upcoming profits as well, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. For the ones that don't have an account yet over on the Phemex platform, make sure to scroll down below this video and join with the affiliate link down below in the description, as this will give you a deposit bonus up to 4,000 US dollars, and it will make it able for you to have access to Will Alerts, which is the private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets, like trade setups, which altcoin to buy, and many more. I want to thank every single one of you for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.